There are 12 compelling reasons to use castor oil before going to bed. Are you familiar with castor oil? Its great health benefits have made it extremely popular. You can use it all over your skin and on the hair on your face. Additionally, some advise applying it right before bed. Ricinus communis is the plant that yields castor oil. Additionally, it's been in use for a very long time, even in conventional Indian medicine, to treat infections, digestive troubles, and skin conditions. Not only does this oil benefit humans, numerous other uses for it include the production of gasoline, helping devices function properly as well as in lotions and medications. Many people extol its virtues, but is it truly effective? In today's video, we'll discuss the reasons behind some people's application of castor oil prior to bed. 1. Enhance the health of your joints. With a long history of applications, castor oil is a multi-purpose oil. It's especially beneficial for joint health, relieving pain and swelling in the joints. The components of the oil reduce pain and stiffness in the joints and combat inflammation. Joints can be harmed by persistent inflammation, but castor oil helps to reduce this and promote joint healing. It deeply penetrates skin and tissues to lubricate joints as well. This enhances mobility and reduces discomfort from stiffness. Additionally, castor oil increases blood flow to joints, supplying more oxygen and nutrients that promote healing, while also eliminating pollutants, which reduces pain and swelling. In addition to strengthening ligaments and muscles, it relieves joint pressure for improved joint health. Castor oil also protects the joints from oxidative stress, which, if left unchecked, can harm tissues and joints. 2. Aids in sleep issues. Can't get a good night's sleep. You're not by yourself. It's a typical issue, similar to constipation. If you don't get enough sleep, castor oil may be helpful. Many suffer from insomnia or difficulty falling asleep. They have trouble falling asleep and staying asleep when they do. Many times they feel exhausted all day after waking up. Your entire life may be impacted, and it may be difficult for you to perform successfully at work. People may use medication to help them sleep, but occasionally they take too much and develop an addiction. If taking sleeping drugs doesn't help, it seems hopeless. An alternative could be castor oil. Try using a small amount if you're having trouble falling asleep. It's easy. Apply castor oil to your eyelids prior to going to sleep. It facilitates relaxation and sleep. It promotes sleep in a natural way. There is an alternative method if applying oil to your eyelashes bothers you. Moreover, essential oil aromatherapy might promote relaxation and improve your quality of sleep. You can apply a mixture of castor oil and essential oils to your temples. They will induce drowsiness. Rose, lavender, and peppermint oils are a good combination with castor oil. 3. For constipation, use castor oil. If you're experiencing difficulty using the restroom, go to a public location. Due to its laxative properties, castor oil can be beneficial. Both specialists and a large number of users attest to its effectiveness for this purpose. It facilitates the movement of food through your digestive tract by your muscles, which might ease bowel movements. For those who are constipated or need to clear their intestines for a checkup, this is helpful. When you ingest castor oil, your body transforms it into a compound that improves the function of your intestines. Castor oil has been shown in studies to treat constipation. It made using the restroom less stressful and easier, according to a research conducted on older persons. Additionally, it aids in bowel movement before to tests such as colonoscopies. But keep in mind that castor oil is best used sparingly. Consuming too much can cause cramps or disturb stomach. Furthermore, it is advisable not to use it if you have chronic health issues. As an alternative to castor oil, for constipation, try consuming kefir or yogurt. They include beneficial bacteria that improve gut health and soften stools. Consuming foods like clear soup and beans is also beneficial. They are packed with minerals such as potassium, folate, zinc, and vitamin B6 that can help relieve constipation. 4. Hair can become shinier and healthier using castor oil. Similar to coconut oil, it may promote faster, stronger, and thicker hair growth. It can be used to treat a condition where hair becomes extremely twisted and also aids in detangling hair. It solidifies into a lump. Does castor oil aid in hair growth? Yes, as it may hasten hair development by increasing blood supply to the hair roots. For this reason, some people also apply it on their eyelashes and eyebrows sometimes. According to certain research, ricinoleic acid and castor oil can reduce hair loss by influencing a particular hormone. If you have thick hair or a tendency for it to frizz up, it can be smoothed out by adding a few drops of castor oil to your conditioner. For maximum effects, use it once or twice a week for thorough care. Wear a shower cap and apply castor oil to your hair before bed. Gently comb through your hair in the morning. Next, use shampoo and conditioner in the shower to wash your hair. To get rid of all the oil, you might need to shampoo twice. 5. Your immune system may be strengthened by castor oil. Because it promotes improved lymphatic system function, this oil is beneficial to the immune system, the body's tiny tubes that make up the lymphatic system to aid in the removal of waste and excess fluid proteins from cells. Castor oil enhances blood circulation and facilitates lymphatic fluid flow. It promotes the thymus gland's well-being, a component of the immune system. Castor oil has long been used as a treatment for stomach issues, backaches, constipation, and joint discomfort. Furthermore, research shows that applying castor oil packs to the stomach increases lymphocyte production, which are vital immune system cells that fend against pathogens and poisons. Additionally, castor oil is utilized to treat digestive problems like constipation and heart health. 6. Excellent at curing minor wounds. Small wounds can be healed using castor oil. Castor oil is a useful tool to know about, but keep in mind that it should not be used for severe wounds. You most definitely need a doctor for serious issues, but for minor scrapes or wounds. Castor oil works well because it maintains moisture in the area, can help keep the wound from drying out too much. Dental X is a common ointment used by doctors to treat wounds, which contains Peru balsam and castor oil. This mixture works particularly well for burns, surgical wounds, and open sores. Castor oil and late acid hazards can reduce pain and swelling. Studies verify that castor oil is a useful treatment for wounds. For instance, a unique mist containing an enzyme and castor oil from Peru called balsam, named trypsinades, in the elderly man's stomach surgery wound, healing who was unresponsive to alternative forms of care. However, it's crucial to keep in mind that goods containing castor oil may also contain additional substances. As a result, never apply anything to a wound merely because it contains castor oil without first consulting your doctor. Does castor oil offer any further advantages? It does indeed. There are still more surprising uses for castor oil. 7. Utilizing castor oil for denture cleaning. Dentures, which can be difficult to keep pristine, are easier to clean using castor oil, as perhaps your grandparents discovered. For those who wear dentures, it's crucial to preserve their old dentures. To prevent the accumulation of germs and fungi, in particular to avoid getting infected with candida. An excessive amount of Candida might cause denture stomatitis, which is painful, red, and swollen. Dentures soaked in castor oil help ward against bacteria and fungi. According to one study, a quick bath in a mixture of castor oil lessened infection symptoms. And another research verified that using this technique reduces fungal problems in elderly people wearing dentures. 8. Lessen pain and inflammation. Castor oil reduces pain and fights inflammation. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce bodily edema, or the immune system's response to injury or illness. Prolonged inflammation can lead to major problems like diabetes, heart disease, and arthritis. Removing oleic acid from castor oil inhibits inflammatory chemicals. The oil acts as a natural analgesic as well. Because of the fatty acids, can relieve the agony of period cramps, sore muscles, and arthritis. Applying it helps reduce pain and improve blood flow. Additionally, castor oil lessens swelling and discomfort from insect bites, bruising, and minor wounds without lessening pain. Additionally, it helps the lymphatic system, which gets rid of fluid and waste from the body. This system may induce edema if it isn't functioning properly. This procedure can be accelerated by using castor oil, which lowers inflammation and swelling. Apply directly to the tender area or use a mouth ticket for these advantages. 9. Aids in the treatment of fungal infections. A common traditional remedy for a variety of medical and cosmetic conditions is castor oil, battling fungus infections that can affect the scalp, nails, and skin, among other things. While conventional medications may not always work well with them, castor oil does. It gradually eradicates the fungus by halting its growth and spread. When the affected area is covered with castor oil, it can reduce pain and discomfort associated with eating. Furthermore, if a fungal infection causes dry, flaky skin, by moisturizing the skin, castor oil helps lessen dry spots and itching. 10. It helps with dry skin. Are you sick of your skin feeling parched, even after applying a ton of creams and lotions? One such method is to use castor oil. It hydrates your skin in a natural way. Ricinoleic acid, a substance found in castor oil, aids in keeping moisture in your skin. You'll see that numerous moisturizing creams also contain it, although you can exclude the additional additives in those products and use pure castor oil instead, which could aggravate your skin or lead to issues. Moreover, castor oil is less costly, which helps you save money. It's not just for your face, you can apply it everywhere on your body. Maintain a delicate skin tone. It is frequently combined with other pleasant oils such as almond or coconut to increase its moisturizing power. Just be sure to test a small area of your skin, such as the back of your hand, first. Be sure you're not allergic before using it to the fullest extent. 11. Aid in fostering a healthy digestive system. Castor oil helps facilitate the passage of food through your intestines. It is fantastic for those who have difficulty using the restroom. It makes your belly happy and promotes regular bowel motions. Additionally, castor oil cleanses the digestive tract, eliminating harmful substances, particularly for those who are exposed to pollution or consume an excessive amount of junk food. Additionally, it combats stomach edema, which can result in discomfort, bloating, or gas. Due to illness, stress, or poor eating, this oil also promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria in your gut. This prevents stomach problems and is beneficial to your health. 12. Initiate labor in expectant mothers. An ancient treatment called castor oil is used to induce labor in expectant mothers. It functions by forcing you to use the restroom. This could provoke contractions by irritating your womb. Additionally, it causes your body to produce more of a certain type of fat that helps prepare your cervix for delivery. In the year 2018, according to this study, almost 91% of women who used castor oil to induce labor had healthy, trouble-free births. Additionally, after examining 19 papers, researchers discovered that using castor oil by mouth is a secure and effective method of inducing labor and preparing the cervix for delivery. However, castor oil may cause nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea. Certain physicians believe that using it is not a good idea because it may result in a potentially hazardous bowel movement for the unborn child. Therefore, unless your doctor gives the all-clear, you should not take castor oil to induce labor. From improving skin care to relieving constipation, castor oil has amazing health benefits that we can't wait to discuss. For many years, this wonderful oil has been a go-to treatment for a wide range of illnesses. Thus, try castor oil if you're looking to improve your digestion or skin and hair. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing for more fantastic health information. We'll be back with more suggestions on how to have a happier, healthier life. Continue studying about natural remedies and reliable,